Alright
Wrapping
y'all,
door
so I just
handles on
finished
a
the wheel tip
2023
for the
Kia Sportage.
2023 Kia Sportage, and I'm bored, so, and I got scrap film, so we just finna go ahead and vinyl wrap one of these handlebars. I don't know how it's gonna go, but these got a lot of intricate body lines, and I probably need to do a different technique for installing these, but we're gonna do it anyway because I'm bored. All right, y'all. So that's how you wrap the handlebars on a 2023 Kia Sportage. Make sure you guys follow Wavy J Tips on Instagram, and make sure you guys go follow Uncle Ray TV on YouTube, where I post a lot of my content at. If you guys are in the Kalamazoo area or in Michigan in general, make sure you guys hit me up for any wraps, tents, decals, anything like that. PPF protection film, paint protection film, whatever y'all need. All right, we out.